What are you doing? What are you doing?
Thank you too. Really, my sister.
Love you.
And so that demon is gone?
Are you my silly little girl?
That guy was freaking me out. Let me stay in the field, and that was crazy joint.
What are you doing? You playing and you jump a rope?
Your life has always been a little crazy. Something wrong? No. Everything is okay. Except for my hair. Yeah. I'll actually pay you to place. Oh, God, no. It's not your fault. Or is it? Actually, yeah. It was. I was just upset that there was yet another demon in our house and in our life. I know, just upset with it and just accepted, but yeah, wasn't my favorite hair anyway. In fact, it's actually
I
kind
love
of
those little facial expressions you give along with all that.
oh, believe me, we're in good company.
Well, the good news is that you won't have to deal with the source anytime soon because coal burned pretty good. Bad enough, I'll be back.
So, it's going for you, isn't it? First time in a long time. I think we